Hello guys, welcome to Sidako Tech Lab. It has been your tech friend, your IT friend. Today we are going to look at a very new set of a video which is actually about how to create a strong, most secure password. We all need better, safe and secure password. Creating password is kind of difficult for people. Follow me along as I teach you how to create a more and secure password that will take you years to be hacked. Stick and stay, I'll be right back. Welcome, I am Collins. I want you to answer these questions with yes or no regarding the password of your email, your bank account, your social media handles. Question number 1. Does your password exceed 12 digits? Question number 2. Does your password contain uppercase, lowercase, symbols, and numbers? Question number 3. Is the password special or unique? Question number 4. Has the password been changed for the last 6 months? If you answered no to any of these 2 questions, then you are in trouble. But hey, it's okay because I'm gonna help you resolve all that because I have been there before. Most people complain of social media being hacked and all that. Why is it so? Sidako Tech Lab will help you go through all these without any difficulty. Now, we are going to look at 3 strategies to create a more secure password. Step 1, you need to select a process to create a new password. First of all, changing letters into symbols is not safe. For example, someone might try to change a password by just changing some letters into symbols. So let's say we have Facebook here, that's your password. Someone might try to change the A here to what we call @ and then make it so. Creating account like this doesn't hold. It's not going to help you to secure your account. That is one thing that you need to know. But I'm going to show you a more secured and safe password which will help secure your account, and that is the password. So you can see from the screen that the password I have here is actually a more secured password which will be difficult to be hacked, right? There are methods in order to create your password, and I'm going to give you 2. The first one is relying on technology, and the second one is doing it on your own. Let me start with the doing it on your own. This will help you create a secured password, or secure password can be created by looking at a line from a song, lyrics, or a poem, or a story that you have read before. For example, this particular password I have on the screen was actually created from a poem or a line of a poem which is Romeo and Juliet by Shakespeare, and the line was this. I'm going to just type the line for you to see so that you'll be able to. The line was, never was a store of more wool than this of Juliet and her Romeo. Never was a store of more wool than this of Juliet and her Romeo. So creating a password out of this line, which I feel very interesting, what I do is I try to create, the first word is never, so I try to create my N from the never, and then was air. The air, I'm going to make it the @, and then I'm going to make the store of more wool than this of Juliet and her Romeo. So you have a password like this, you understand? You have such a password. So it's the same thing that we have down here, so I'm going to clear this one. So you create a line, or you create a password from the line of poem that you read. Taking the password you have on the screen, this password is actually exceeding 12 digits. As you can see, it contains capital, lowercase, numbers, symbols. And having created this password, you can use it for all your social media handles. I'm going to show you a trick here. In order not for you to waste your time writing down all this password every now and then, you can use this password for your Facebook, for your WhatsApp, for your Twitter, for your LinkedIn, and etc. What do you do if you want to use this password for Facebook? The trick I'm going to show you just use, Facebook begins with F and ends with K, so you just have to type an F here, and the last one will be a K, so that seeing this one, you know that this is your Facebook password. Now, using it for Twitter, you can actually type a T here and then an R, which will indicate that this is actually your Twitter password, guys. So this is actually a secret that I can show you in order to create a more secure password. The second method that we are going to use is what I call technology method. And with the technology method, we use what we call the password managers. You can use a password manager like what we call Dashlane. The Dashlane will help you to secure and keep all your password under one umbrella, under one place, so that anytime that you are signing in, you'll be able to sign into your account without any difficulty. You don't have to hassle or suffer in order to be typing all your password or writing your password on the paper. What you do is you allow the password manager, that is Dashlane or Dashlane, to keep all your password for you. Anytime that you would want to sign in, you just click on the link and then you are good to go. So you can keep tracks of all your password, especially with your salient or most secured account, being it email, being it your bank account. It can be frustrating whenever you lose your password or whenever you forget your password. So this password manager will help you keep all your password safe and secured, and anytime that you would want to sign in, you'll be able to do so. Please, some of you complaints in the videos I make that your account, I have friends whose account have been hacked and etc. Create a more secure password like what I've taught you in this video, so that your account wouldn't be hacked. You feel safe and secure when you are using your account. So here we have passwords here, so you can see this is showing the recent website that I went, and then it has kept my password. So if I want to just go to the site, I just click on go to website and I will sign in automatically. You have secured note on your left, you have personal info. You can also keep your payment method here. If you want to make any payment, your cards and etc. that you want to use, you can type them here. We have also IDs here and etc. There are so many things you can do here with regards to Dashlane. So guys, I would advise you to also make sure that you change your password every 6 months. It is very, very important for you to change your password every 6 months to avoid hackers hacking your account. If you like this video, just hit the like button. Keep your questions in the comment section and subscribe if you are new, for you to be able to see my new videos and will be able to also get the content that I create. See you on my next video. Stay secure. Bye bye.